In this video I am going to show you how the speed button works, or the blender function. While you are doing something, we say if you select the wrong speed and wrong time, always you can reset it by press and hold this button for 3 to 4 seconds. You hear a beep noise and it's gonna reset automatically. So select the speed, whatever the desired speed. Sorry, not the temperature, actually I had to reset it. Speed, time, I'm gonna select 10, and then to start this one, and if you want to pause it, once again you have to press that button to pause it. So start, pause, start, pause. If you want to exit this program or terminate this program, you have to press and hold that button for 3 seconds, 3 to 4 seconds. So I'll let it run. Okay, program over. It will automatically reset after about 10 seconds. So you can see that light blinking. Yep. The other thing you can do, you can just use the speed function without the timer. So select the speed and time, then start. If you want to increase or decrease speed, you can press that button and do it. If you want to pause it, imagine if you want to add something, pause that, add ingredients, and then press that again. If you want to exit from this program or terminate this, press and hold for 3 seconds, 3 to 4 seconds I would say. That's how blender function works.